Okay, we're going to go through one more of these videos of taking a number from expanded form into standard form, and I'm also going to show you a way that they may ask the question. So this number, 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 900, I am going to start plugging these in, and I know that my ones has 0 zeros, my tens is going to have 1, my hundreds is going to have 2, my thousands is going to have 3, 10,000 is going to have 4, and 100,000 is going to have 5. So my first number that I have is 900. 900, well, that's the smallest number that I have. 900 has 2 zeros. 900 is 9 hundreds. If you don't have anything in your tens and your ones, you have to put a 0. My thousands has 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 8,000 is going to be 8 thousands. 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 10,000s has 4 zeros. 30,000 is going to be 3 10,000s. 200,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 100,000s has 5 zeros. So 200,000 is going to be 200,000s. This is what this number looks like. 238,900. This is the sum of. The sum, so if I added all of these numbers together, it would equal this number. If I added all of these numbers together, 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 900. That is going to be the sum of 238,900.